By the way, did you know that you can connect more than one monitor in one computer, or one personal computer, one desktop, one CPU? Yes, as you can see right now, I have three monitors on my table here, and all of them is only connected. They're all connected to one CPU. That means I can work with three different workstations at the same time. It might fool you that it looks like I have more than one computer, but in real sense, I have only one CPU. But I have three monitors that are working under one CPU. To achieve that, you can buy a simple chip CPU, simple chip computer, like the one that I bought. I bought a HP that costed me. It was refurbished, it's a used one, or open box. I got it from Micro Center for $136 or $138, and I bought one simple gadget. That is this one. It's called USB 2.0 display, from USB 2.0 to VGA. So the CPU that I bought has two ports that you can use for display. Of course, you can use a USB like this one using this extension of gadget. It has a DVI and VGA ports. Some other computers they come with new computers they come with DVI, VGA, HDMI, and USB 3.0 and 2.0. But for this one, it came with DVI, VGA, and of course USB. So I wanted to maximize all the ports, but I couldn't maximize the USB if I didn't have the adapter. So I had to go and buy the new adapter, the USB 2.0 to VGA adapter. So right now the first monitor here uses the first port, that's DVI port. The second monitor here uses the VGA port, and the last one uses the USB 2.0 port. So for you to achieve or to use a USB port, you have to buy this adapter, because it changes the output from USB or Universal Serial Bus 2.0 or Fashion 2.0 to VGA. So it's really simple. I can show you within next couple of minutes how to connect, and boom. So first of all, you must buy this equipment. I'll show you the equipment itself and what else. So you don't need to actually spend money on, you see, old school days when you had to have like three computers in the house. For this one, it's really easy. This one you can use three monitors at the same time. So I'll just show you around quickly. So this is the equipment. This is the gadget. This is the adapter. So you see, this one is called USB display adapter. I'm trying hard time to figure out to zoom it. So I see it's connected to USB. Port is coming from USB here. If you look at it, it's just connected to here, USB port, and then from here it takes input of USB 2.0, and the output here is VGA, and then you can connect the VGA cable. VGA cable goes straight to your monitor, and then the other port. So now you see I've utilized, this is VGA, this is HDMI for VGA for the second monitor, DVI for the first monitor, and then USB for the third monitor. It's really simple. And then after you do the connection, after you come and after you connect, you can come here. Here, this is Windows 10.0. That the adapter, the USB, you can buy for the newer models. You can buy 3.0, but it can use any Windows from 8.0 and above. So for this Windows 10.0, you can come to settings, and then system display, and then now you have your monitors here. So this monitor number 1, number 2, and number 3. Number 1, 2, and 3. And you have to go here. So when you select a monitor here, say monitor number 1, of course this is the main monitor right now. So if I click here, I'll pick it as the first or the main monitor. if I want to make this one to be main monitor, I can come here and check it, make it main monitor and apply changes, but I don't want to make it right now. And if I want to make this one, and so when you connect the two, of course it's gonna detect the fast monitors from USB, from DVI and VGA automatic, but the last one that you added is from USB. You have to come here and select extend desktop to this display, so and apply. So what it does is like it's gonna sense the new monitor, and then it's gonna extend the display. It's pretty easy steps actually, it's not really hard. So right now, see, I can move my mouse from, let me say if I can open windows, more than one window here. Okay, as we can see right now, that all the monitors are working at the same time right now. So we can all see, I can drag this window here from monitor number 2 to any, see, I can bring it here. Now they're working independently. I can take it to the monitor number 3. See, now whenever I have anything that I'm doing, instead of me minimizing, I just drag it to the other computer, or the other monitor, I mean, just put it away, and then you can bring it back. Or you can do your homework and use this monitor, the main one, and then you can put the sites that you want to read from on the sides. Now you can type from here. And one thing I've realized that the adapter that I bought might be a cheaper one, because I was trying to figure out if it's really working. But yeah, I just found out it's working, but it was a cheaper one. So if you buy the most expensive, it's gonna be more efficient. But for this one, it's way cheaper. So if you can find out, you you can find out, like if you look at it, it's lacking a little bit compared to DVI here. See, it's fast. But if I bring it here, because of that adapter, the image is lagging a little bit. So it's more efficient when you use that you use the cheaper adapter. You have to use it the same window that you're using, the adapter that is linked to the adapter. You might only need to use in some applications like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, just simple stuff like applications. But if you want to watch video, it's not efficient really. It's not that fast. It is not that like clear unless you buy expensive one. And I saw that for about $77 or at least 60 and above. But this one was the price was marked at $37. But eventually that I found that they were having like sales for $29. So easy, just easy steps. So you guys have seen that the connection is really easy, and it saves you a lot of time and a lot of resources. Right now you can only buy the cheaper computer or the cheaper CPU, but if you want to get the efficiency of these adapters, you have to buy the expensive one. And I saw another one that was about $77. There was another one for $68. So you know, the higher you go in terms of price, it means the maximum output you get, or the more efficient it is, and the more clarity you get from that adapter. For this one, it's kind of slacking a little bit when you try to drag an image, dragging from left to right or up and down. You can tell that it has a little bit slack, about of 0 point something seconds, compared to the other monitors that use direct VGA and DVI. Another thing I forgot to tell you, that you can build your own computer from scratch. For me, I bought the refurbished CPU for $138. Right, I got all these 3 monitors from thrift store or Goodwill. That one, see, still even has a price of $9. This one was $18. It's there, and this one was $9. So pretty much I used less than $40 for 3 monitors. Otherwise, if I had bought a new one, I would have bought this one for about $60. 60 times 3, I would have bought for $180, all of them at once. So I saved about $140. See, and all you need to do is all you need from this monitor is just for display, and so you don't need to buy expensive unless you want to play games, and you can buy the baddest one, the most expensive one you can get for like $300 for high definition. But for me, I just need this one for homework. And apart from that, I guess that's it. If you wanna ask more question, you can just inbox me and or comment, because I'll be posting this video on Facebook, and I know I'm gonna get comments about these questions, that's gonna come out of this conversation. And thanks for watching this video, and then I hope it's gonna help you. I know I just went shallow. I didn't explain all the procedures. I should have started from, like, as I unpacked everything, connection and installation of this. Oh, I forgot, the JCreate adapter comes with a CD for installation. So I should have made a video about the installation, but I know you guys if you have a little basic computer knowledge, you can do that by yourself. Just inside the CD, and the auto run is gonna show up on the screen, and then you just click next, 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 and launch the program. That's it. Alright guys, I guess I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video.